Okay, on this video I'll show you how I can make over $300 in less than 30 seconds. Now this is just a very high overview. It's not going to go in depth, but just to give you a taster. So you can go and check out my other videos, find out what this is all about. There's lots of other training videos about this as well, but this is reality, this is happening. This is all with a game called Townstar from Gala Games. You can play Townstar for free at townstar.co.uk. So I'm logging in this morning and I'm in the world. I'm going to go to my town. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go and sell some grapes. So I click on my ship, I go to sell, it loads up the orders and finds out the nearest place for me, which is London. I go and sell some grapes. This is all I'm doing. This is it for the day. I've got to meet a challenge of getting 1,000 stars. I've got 108,000 at the moment. There we go, now 110,000. I've completed the challenge and I've earned 1,208 town coin. That was it. That has just made me over $300. Let's show, just go and collect those rewards. So 1,208 town coin. So 1,208 town coin. What is a town coin worth? If we go to coinmarketcap.com and search up town, you get to Townstar, you see it's 0.275 of a dollar. So let's go back to my calculator. So 1,208 times 0.275 of a dollar each. That's $332 you saw me make there in less than 30 seconds. So do check out my other videos. This is a big, new, brave world of play to earn gaming. Townstar is one of the first. It's very simple. There's a lot of money to be made here if you take action. Check out my other videos on the channel. Join Townstar, play for free at townstar.co.uk. Any questions, any comments, give me a thumbs up to help support the channel here, and I'll answer any questions you've got. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next video.